Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to quickly and simply identify the voltage of Zener diodes. Our DC power supply is 24 volts, so we can easily test Zener diodes with breakdown voltages below 24 volts. A series resistor is used to limit the current and protect the Zener diode during breakdown. When the Zener diode is reverse biased, the voltage across it remains almost constant at its breakdown voltage. By connecting the Zener diode correctly, the multimeter directly shows the Zener voltage. In this test, we measured Zener diodes with the following voltages: 18 volts, 15 volts, 12 volts, 7.5 volts, and 2 volts. The Zener current can be calculated using this formula. I equals V in minus VZ divided by R. This ensures the Zener operates safely in its breakdown region. This method is simple, fast, and low cost. No special equipment is required. It's perfect for checking unknown or unmarked Zener diodes. The accuracy depends on resistor value and supply stability. This method is not suitable for high power or high voltage Zener diodes. Despite its simplicity, this technique is very effective for quick Zener voltage identification. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel.